we've now got it outside. We didn't film everything we had to do because just needed to sort of get it done, get it finished. But we had to put a gearbox tunnel in, gearbox turret, seat mounts, dash, on a gearbox mount. We had to put a gearbox mount in there as well. But as you can see, that's all pretty much, that's all done. So that's all the back end all on. It's quite a lot of work to do in an Escort. Especially with this one had floor, or pretty much everything. The only thing that we didn't put on it is the roof and one rear quarter. That's the Escort all done and gone. Now, most of the panels we fitted in the car was Magnum panels. To be quite honest, they all fitted quite well, really. They all need a little bit of work to get them to fit, but all in all, they ain't bad. And as you can't get OEM pattern parts or any old stock about nowadays, you just got to use what's available. It was a lot of work there, though, especially pretty much the whole car needed replacing. I think it was a floor and the rear quarter that was sort of any good. On the boot floor we left as well, just a few repairs here and there. But all in all, it was a good job. Pleased to have done it, and it made a good rally car, nice and solid now. So it's now off to the owner to get the prep work done and get it off to paint. So we should see that probably in the next few months on the road. So we can, what we'll do is when that come round, driving around here, we'll give it a little film and show you the finished article. We've also got the Mini, which we've done a few videos back. That's all done now on the road, looking really, really good. The owner of that put a lot of that together and did a lot of work himself, as well as had various people do it. We just sort of done the fabrication side of it. Then it went off to paint. That came around the other day. We did a few little bits to that, and I took a load of pictures. So I will make it a final video of that soon, just so you can see the sort of finished article. So we've got some work to get on with the Volvo in the next video. We need to get that drifting. We've now got that all up and running, so you'll see that in the next video. And then we've got some more fabrication work to do. We're going to start a little hot rod project that we had brought in a few months ago. So we'll get started on that, film it, and hopefully bring you along for the process. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one.